Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to oil your ceiling fan. For this we're going to be using battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit and a lubricating oil. The first step you want to do is disassemble the entire fan to get down to the raw motor. A lot of people try to oil it when it's up there. I don't like doing this because you can't get an accurate oiling of those bearings. So I stripped everything down to the bare motor, and on each side of the motor you have bearings. What you'll do is you'll take your lubricating oil and just put a couple drops right on top of that bearing, real close to the shaft, and then work that oil in by spinning it back and forth. And what it'll do is actually, when you're spinning it, those bearings will start to move and suck that oil down in there and help lubricate those bearings. After you get one side done, go ahead and flip it over and you'll lubricate the opposite side too. You don't want to drench this with an excess amount of oil. There's a lot of parts in here that don't need to be lubricated. You want to just put about 3 or 4 drops in there and spin it, and any residue, go ahead and take a rag and wipe off. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed how to oil your ceiling fan. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.